Hi there, this is Estelle Traingove, and this is my short video on series and parallel connections. We've already learned about nodes, meshes, loops, and um, branches. So let's number the nodes in this circuit. I'm going to number the nodes. So let's call this node 1. And then remember these three dots here form one expanded node. So we're going to call this node 2. So that's 1, 2. Then this is also an expanded node, and we'll call that node 3. And this is an expanded node, and we'll call it node 4. Elements are in series if there is one node that two elements and only those two elements share. So if we look at the circuit here, we can see that node 1 over here is shared by the 6-volt source and by the 1 kilo ohm source, and nothing else is connected to that node. So this 1 kilo ohm and the 6-volt are in series. Note that if elements are connected to each other in series, like these two, then the same current flows through both of those elements. So in this case, the current I1 flows through the 6-volt source from the lower to the higher voltage, and it also flows through the 1 kilo ohm resistor. Elements are in parallel if two or more elements are connected to the same two nodes. So in this circuit, we can see that the 10 milliamp source and the 2 kilo ohm source are both connected to nodes 3 and 4. So the 10 milliamp source and the 2 kilo ohm resistor are connected in parallel. Note that all elements that are connected in parallel share the same voltage. So if we had, for example, a 6-volt source and it was connected to a 10 kilo ohm resistor, then we can see they share this expanded node and this expanded node. So we know that the voltage V1 is equal to 6 volts because that element, the 10 kilo ohm resistor, is connected in parallel to the 6-volt source. So in summary, if elements are connected in series, then they share only one node and the current through elements connected in series is the same. And if elements are connected in parallel, they have two nodes that they share, two common nodes, and the voltage across all elements that are connected in parallel is the same.